Watch the dome! Watch the dome, lad! Oh! Good job! Good job! Watch the fingers! Watch the fingers! Move it! Move it a bit to the right! Bang! Brilliant! Brilliant job! Stand on the bloody Kerbs and only after got in a few minutes ago. Hey Friday! Look at this job! And 3 trees are going in here. You think he would have learned his lesson, but no. There's going to be a little gate in here to go in the back. Great job. Great job, isn't it, Cedric? What do you think? Great job. Give him the thumbs up. Yeah, I mean, 50 years ago, houses did just allow everything to go in around them, but now the modern ways, a bit of landscaping and putting down some curbs and stuff like that. It's a much better look for sure. So, yeah, I gotta watch. Now over here, get away from the digger. Get away from the digger, you'll be hit. That's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this small video. Don't forget to subscribe. It's some job, lad, yeah?